Hello friends, welcome back once again to my exam coaching classes. So first of all, thank you so much for watching my videos and thank you so much for your support. So if you are watching this video, I hope you might have seen our previous video that is also on permutation and combination, where we have discussed the all basic concepts of permutation and combination. This video, I am giving you some of the very important topics, very important questions selected from the previous question papers of IBPS and SSC. So पहले वीडियो अगर आपने नहीं देखा है तो kindly watch those video जिसमें all basic concepts we have already explained. Okay, this video we will solve some of the important questions selected from previous year papers. And before going to the questions, let me tell you this channel, if you are watching first time, I request you kindly subscribe, and whenever I upload new videos, new materials, new PDF notes and topics, the notification will definitely come to you. And while watching and preparing for your competitive exams, if you have any doubt to clarify, अगर कोई doubt है आपका which you want to ask, या कोई particular topic में आपको कोई video चाहिए, then please WhatsApp me in this number or you can call me also in this number. और अगर आपको कोई पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक में कुछ वीडियो का जरूरत है या कोई स्टडी मटेरियल का जरूरत है, देन प्लीज पुट इट इन द कमेंट बॉक्स में डाल दीजिए सो दैट आई कैन मेक न्यू वीडियोस ऑन दैट पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक. So let us go to the topic and let us solve some of the important questions. So before going to the topic, let us just revise quickly what actually we have learned in the previous video. Then we will go to the questions. So first we have seen what actually is a factorial notation. In the previous video also we have explained what is factorial notation. Factorial notation is denoted by the symbol exclamation mark. For example, if I want to write 6 factorial, then 6 factorial का मतलब क्या है? 6 factorial means, we have seen in the previous video, 6 factorial means we have to multiply all numbers up to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. ये सारा नंबर को मल्टीपल करके जो भी आंसर आएगा that will be equal to 6 factorial. ये जो सिंबल है, this symbol is called factorial. So 6 factorial means 1 into 2, 2, 2 into 3, 6, 6 into 4, 24, 24 into 5, 120, 120 into 6, 720. So 6 factorial means 720. This we have already seen in the previous video. For example, we want 4 factorial. 4 factorial means 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. So 1 2s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 6 4s are 24. So 4 factorial means 24. कोई भी नंबर का फैक्टोरियल निकालना है means we have to multiply that number from 1 to that number. All numbers you have to multiply. If you want to find out the factorial of any number, multiply all numbers from 1 to that number. For example, we want 10 factorial, we have to multiply all numbers from 1 to 10. If you want 20 factorial, we will multiply all numbers 1 into 2 into like that up to all numbers up to 20 we will multiply. So in generally we can find out a factorial formula, that is formula is n factorial for any natural number, any counting number, for any number n factorial is equal to 1 into 2 into up to n factorial up to n. So that is n factorial. This is one of the very important formula. Okay, so that is n factorial. So now if I say what is 8 factorial, you can find out 8 factorial is equal to 1 into 2 into up to 8. Or you can write it in the reverse order also. 8 से start करो, 8 into 7 into 6 into up to 1 तक भी लिख सकते हैं. So these all are the important thing about factorial notation. So next is permutation formula. This also we have seen. This is a revision I am giving you. Then we will go to the question. So people who have not watched my previous video, kindly watch. The link is given in the description. So please watch that. We have given the complete formula basic concept in that video. So permutation formula means we have a very important formula which is called NPR. So NPR is equal to n factorial divided by Pn minus r factorial. N minus r factorial. So what is this n? What is this r? ये सब आपको पता होना चाहिए. For example, we have suppose 8 digits. We have 8 digits, out of which we have to make a 3-digit number. For a 3-digit number, we will take 3 at a time. We want to make a 3-digit number. So 8 digit आपको दिया है. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. ये 8 digit आपको दिया है. We have 8 digits. Out of this 8 digit, you have to make 3-digit number. So how many 3-digit number you can make? So how many 3-digit number you can make? So NPR, N stands for the total. N is equal to 8. And R is equal to 3. So N is the total number of items available. R is out of that how many you are taking at a time. N का मतलब है कि total कितना है. Total कितना है इधर 8. और उसमें से how many you are taking at a time. कितना ले रहे हो 3. So R will become 3. So what is NPR? NPR is the permutation formula. Permutation is equal to 8 factorial. Total is N 8. Divided by n minus r, that is 8 minus 3 factorial. So ये क्या हो जाएगा 8 factorial divided by 8 minus 3 5 factorial. So now I can write 8 factorial का मतलब क्या है 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 divided by 5 factorial 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So now I can cancel this 5 to 1 and this 5 to 1. So what is left out? 8 into 7 into 6. So 8 7s are 56. 56 into 6. 6 6 are 36. Balance 3. 30 plus 3, 33. 336 will be the answer for this. So permutation formula क्या है? That you have to remember. Permutation formula is NPR is equal to n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. You will get a lot of questions from permutation and combination in your IBPS exam, in your staff selection commission exam. सारा competitive exams में जहाँ quantitative aptitude आता है, उधर permutation and combination का questions बहुत आता है. So these are very important topic for you. So now we have seen what is permutation formula. Let us see the next one, that is combination formula. This also we have explained in the previous video. Kindly watch. I'll explain it once again here. NCR. In permutation we have written NPR. In combination we will write NCR. NCR is equal to n factorial divided by r factorial into n minus r factorial. This is the formula for combination. So remember this formula. This also very, very important. So this is combination formula. Okay. So permutation कहाँ use करना है, combination कहाँ use करना है, that is very, very important. So NCR. So for example, the same example I will take. We have total 8 digit. Out of that we have to take 3 at a time. So क्या होगा? This will become 8C3. NCR. NCR will become 8C3, which is equal to 8 factorial divided by r factorial is 3 factorial into n minus r factorial, that is 5 factorial. So ये क्या हो जाएगा? 8 factorial means 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 into 6 into 7 into 8. 3 factorial means 1 into 2 into 3 into 1 5 factorial means 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5. So first 1 2 3 4 5. First here 1 2 3 4 5 cancelled. Now what is left? Here niche 1 into 2 into 3. So 1 into 2 2, 2 into 3 6. This 6 I can cancel with this 6. So what is left now? 7 into 8. 7 8s are 56. So we got the answer. NCR is equal to 8C3, which is equal to 56. So 56 different ways we can do this arrangement. So this also very important formula for our examination. Please note it. So based on this concept, now we understood what is permutation. Now we understood what is combination. We have understood what is factorial. Based on this, let us go to some of the very questions. So this is your first question. This question is selected from IBPS exam 2015. IBPS 2015 का question है. IBPS 2015. क्या है question? The number of all possible words that can be formed using the letters of the word mathematics. Understand the question very clearly. Same type of question repeat होके आता है. Only thing mathematics का जगह और कोई word आएगा. That's all. Pattern will be same. Pattern will be same. In place of mathematics word, you will get some other word. So I say question आना ही आना है. It will be very sure short question. The number of all possible words that can be formed using the letters of the word mathematics. So now when you see mathematics, how many times M is repeated? M is repeated 1 and 2 times. Then how many times letter A is repeated? Letter A is 1, 2 times. How many times letter T is repeated? T is 1 and 2 times. All other letters are only 1 times. So we can write the total number of ways. Now understand very clearly. Total we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. When I write the word mathematics, total we have 11 letters. Total we have 11 letters. Out of that 11, we have M 1 and 2, 2 times. A 1 and 2, that is 2 times. And T 1 and 2, 2 times. So whatever repeats, that will come in the denominator and total will come in the numerator. So this answer will be equal to total, that is 11 factorial divided by how many repetitions? उसे divide करो. M 2 times है, so 2 factorial. A 2 times, again 2 factorial. T 2 times, again 2 factorial. So this is the answer. Very simple shortcut method I am giving you. Whenever you have this type of questions, total divided by repetition factorial. So total divided by repetition factorial, total we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 total. So 11 factorial divided by repetition M 2 times, A 2 times, T 2 times. To 2 factorial into 2 factorial into 2 factorial. So accordingly you can mark the correct option as option A. So this type of question, whenever it comes into your question paper, just see total how many letters are there and divide that by repetition factorial. Very important and very easy question. Okay, let us go to the next question. This question is IBPS 2017 का question है. IBPS 2017. In how many different ways the letters of the word trouble can be arranged? Now you have a very good idea how many different ways the letters of the word trouble can be arranged. Let me write this. TROUBLE. So when you see this word, total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have total, we have 7 letters. Out of that, we don't have any repetition. कोई repetition नहीं है इसमें. We don't have any repetition. अगर repetition नहीं है, then the answer will be equal to total factorial, that is 7 factorial. What is 7 factorial? 7 factorial is equal to 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 into 6 into 7. So 1 into 2, 2, 2 into 3, 6, 6 into 4, 24, 24 into 5, 120, 120 into 7, 120 into 6, 720, 720 into 7. So 720 into 7. So 7 zeros are 0, 7 twos are 14, balance 1, 49 plus 1, 50, 5040. So now you check 5040 is there in your answer or not. So yes, option B is the correct answer. So दोनों क्वेश्चन का डिफरेंस आपको समझ में आना चाहिए अभी. If you are not clear with the previous question, just rewind and watch that first. First word was mathematics. First question में हमने लिया था the word mathematics. Mathematics word में there are letters repeating. M is repeating, then A is repeating, T is repeating. So whenever you have repetition, अगर repetition है letters का, then वो repetition का factorial से divide करना पड़ेगा. That is why we have written it as 11 factorial divided by M 2 times है, so 2 factorial. A 2 times है तो again 2 factorial. T 2 times है तो again 2 factorial. ऐसे करके किया था. But here in this word trouble, इस word में कोई repetition नहीं है. अगर कोई word, कोई letter अगर repeat नहीं हो रहा है, अगर कोई letter repeat नहीं हो रहा है, तो directly you can say total जो भी number आएगा 7 means 7 factorial. If there is no repetition, you can find out the answer by finding the total number factorial. Here total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 letters are there. So we found 7 factorial. Repetition है तो divide करना है. If there is repetition of letters, we have to divide by repetitions का factorial. Otherwise, you can find out the total factorial. Very simple. That is the reason I have taken two different type of question and from the same pattern. Next question, SBI PO 2018 का क्वेश्चन है. SBI PO 2018. So आपने देखा होगा this type of question regularly question paper में आता है. In how many different ways the letters of the word believe can be arranged. So now let me write this letter. What is given? Believe. So B E L I E V E. Now you can find out. You understood the method. Total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So total we have 7. Out of that, E is how many times repeating? E is repeating 1, 2, 3. 3 times E is repeating. So any other word is repeating? No. Any कोई other कोई letter repeat हो रहा है? नहीं. So what will be the answer? The answer will be equal to 7 factorial divided by 3 factorial. Now you can find out 7 factorial means 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 into 6 into 7 divided by 3 factorial means 1 into 2 into 3. So now we can cancel 1 into 2 into 3 here, 1 into 2 into 3 here. So what will be the answer? The answer will be equal to 4 into 5, 4 into 5, 20, 20 into 6, 20 into 6 is 120, 120 into 7, 120 into 7, 0, 4, 8. So 840 will be the answer. So now check whether this answer is given or not. Yes, we have first option A, 840 is the correct answer. So simple way, I am sure this concept is very clear to you. अगर repetition of letters है तो repetition का factorial से divide करना है. अगर repetition नहीं है, then you can find out the total factorial. अगर repetition है तो repetition का factorial से total को divide करना है. Okay, let us go to the next question. How many triangles can be formed? How many triangles can be formed with 8 non-collinear points lying in a plane? Now we have in a plane there are 8 non-collinear points. Total how many points? 8 points. So total we have 8 points. And we want to make triangles. So triangle means we want minimum how many point? 1 point, 2 point, 3 point. एक ट्रायंगल बनाने के लिए 3 पॉइंट चाहिए. So total 8 point है तो कितना ट्रायंगल बना सकता है? There are many triangles we can make using these three points taken at a time. So now total 8 points, how many triangles can be made? This type of questions we will use the formula, combination formula. Understand the concept very clearly. For arranging the letters of a word, we have used factorial notation. For arranging the letters of a word, we have used factorial notation. But when you have 8 points out of which you have to take 3, then we will use different combinations we can make. क्या है ये? There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 points. How many triangles you can make? You can make one triangle like this. 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 You can make any 3 point लेके आप triangle बना सकते हैं. So ऐसे करके how many triangles you can make? So you can make a lot of combination taking 3 at a time. So here we are taking how many at a time? 3. So we'll get R is equal to 3. Why R is equal to 3? Because for a single triangle we want 3 points. Total कितना है आपके पास? 8 point है. So we have N is equal to 8. Understand this concept very clearly. Total there are 8 points. So we will take N is equal to 8. Triangle बनाने के लिए for one triangle we want 3 points. So minimum 3 points. So 3 will be R. So we have the combination formula. What is combination formula? NCR is equal to N factorial divided by R factorial into N minus R factorial. So here NCR will become what? 8C3. 8C3 is equal to 8 factorial divided by R factorial. R is 3. So 3 factorial into N minus R. 8 minus 3. That is 5 factorial. So we got 8 factorial is equal to what? 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 into 6 into 7 into 8. Don't write all these things in your exam hall. Here itself you can cut 8 or 5 factorial आप cancel कर सकते हैं. For explaining the concept I am writing all these things. आपको ये सारा लिखने का जरूरत नहीं है, shortcut method में करो. So 1 into 2 into 3, that is 3 factorial. Again 5 factorial में 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5. So now you see you can cancel what and what? You can cancel 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5, 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5. Now 1 into 2 into 3, this 6 you can cancel with this 6. So what is left now? 7 into 8, which is equal to how much? 56. So how many triangles you can make? 56 triangles you can make. So let us write the correct answer, 56, A part. Understand this concept very clearly. How many different combinations you can make? 8 point दिया आपको, उसमें से 3 point लेके कितना triangles बना सकता है? How many triangles you can make taking 3 points from 8 non-collinear points? Non-collinear means points एक ही line में नहीं है, not falling on the same line. वो ये non-collinear. So we can make different combination. So then we will use the formula, combination formula. Whenever we have this type of question, we will use combination formula. So the next question is, the question is taken from IBPS 2016. The number of 3-digit numbers that can be formed using the digits 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 if repetition of the digits is allowed. So understand, this is also one of the very important question. The number of 3-digit number that can be formed from the given digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So given digits are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now we want to make a 3-digit number. So let me write the 3-digit number in this column. So 3-digit number we can write. If the repetition of the letter digits are allowed. Repetition is allowed. That means if I take any of this digit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, if I take these digits in the first number, then how many different ways I can arrange it? This any number I can take in the first column. That means I can take it in the 5 different ways. I can take 1 here, I can take 2 here, I can take 3 here, I can take 4 here, I can take 5 here. I can start a number using the digit 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So any number out of this I can take here. That means 5 different ways I can take. Second point is repetition is allowed. Repetition allowed means the same number I can take again here. Again I can take 5 different ways in the second value also. If the repetition is not allowed, then I can take this column only 4 times. Understand the concept very clearly. Since the repetition of the letters are allowed, I can take any number out of this 5 in the second column also. अगर रिपीटिशन अलाउ नहीं होता तो एक नंबर आप फर्स्ट कॉलम में जब ले लिया तो रिमेनिंग यू विल हैव ओनली 4, उसमें से 4 ओनली यू कैन टेक हियर. अगेन रिपीटिशन इज अलाउड मींस दिस कॉलम आल्सो आई कैन टेक अगेन 5 different ways. That means total how many different ways I can make, it is equal to 5 into 5 into 5. So which is equal to 5 into 5, 25, 25 into 5, 125 different ways I can make the numbers. So how many, what is the total number of 3-digit numbers? 125. So 125 different numbers I can make using the digit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Understand the concept very clearly. Here the repetition of the digits are allowed. That is why everything will be 5 into 5 into 5. अगर repetition allowed नहीं होता, then it will become 5 into 4 into 3. So out of this 5, we can make any number in the starting. तो मान लो एक नंबर, कोई भी एक नंबर आपने ले लिया, so remaining will be 4. That 4 only will come in the second. First और second दोनों नंबर अगर आपने ले लिया, then आपके पास only 3 नंबर रहेगा. That only will come in the third. So 5 into 4, 20, 20 into 3, 60 ways only you can, 60 numbers only you can make if the repetition is not allowed. But in this question, we have given repetition is allowed. Allowed means every column you can make 5, 5 and 5. So the total number of ways we can, total number of digit we can make, total 3-digit number that we can make is 125. So these type of questions are normally asked from this topic, permutation and combination. So prepare more with more and more questions. Okay, so we will meet with more and more good questions in the next class. Take care. Bye bye.